So, good morning to everyone. My name is B.keerthi from CSM department, second year at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Basically, I'm from Hindupur, currently staying in Anantapur. Today, my topic is about the architecture of an expert systems. Here is my topic about architecture of an expert system. Let's go on it. First, introduction of an expert systems. Expert systems are the computer programming that mimic human experts in specific domains. They are designed to solve the complex problem by reasoning through body of knowledge. These systems are widely used in the field such as medicine, finance, and engineering. Component of an expert systems. The key component include the knowledge base, inference engine, and user interface. The knowledge base stores the domain-specific facts and the rule for the reasoning. The interface engine applies the logical rules to the knowledge base to drive the new information. So here is the figure about the component of an expert system. First, the explanation facilities gives to the interface engines. The interface engines are the three types. First one is the knowledge base. Second one is the knowledge base acquisitions facility. Third one is the user interface. The knowledge base acquisitions facility gives the experts and the user interface gives the user. Key components of an expert systems. First one is about the knowledge base. The knowledge base contains the domains, specific knowledge, that's our fact and the rules. Next one about the interface engines, the core components that applies the logical rules to the knowledge base to deduce the new information. User interface, that means through which user interact with the systems. And next one is about the explanation facility. Provide user that with the explanations often reasoning the behind decisions. And last one is about the knowledge acquisitions model. Allows that user to upload to and expand its the knowledge base. Now we can see briefly about all these. First one is about the knowledge base. The knowledge base is the core components where expert knowledge is encoded. It consists of the fact, heuristic and the rules that represent the expertise in the particular area. A well-structured knowledge base is the crucial for the system's accuracy and the reliability. And here we can see the types of knowledge-based systems. There are the 5 types. First one is about the intelligent tutorial system. Second one is about the expert systems. Third one is hypertext manipulation system. Fourth one is case-based system. And fifth one is the rule-based system. Here are the 5 types that is a knowledge basis. Next one, interface engine. The interface engine is the responsible for interpreting the knowledge base. It uses the various reasoning the techniques such as forward chaining and the backward chaining. The engine can draw the conclusion and make the decision based on the available the data. Here we can see the figure about the interface engine. The user gives to the interface and it gives to the interface engine. Interface engines are the two types that are the working memory and the knowledge base that will be written into the result as to the user. Next about the user interface. The user interface allow user to interact with the expert systems. It can be designed for the easy of a use, enabling the user to input data and receiving the guidance. A good user interface enhancing the user experiences and improve the system's accessibility. Here is the explanation about the facility. The explanation facility provides the user with the insighting into the system's reasoning the process. It helps user understand how conclusions were reached by the system. These transparency build trust and allow for the better decision making by the users. And the knowledge acquisitions. Knowledge acquisition is the process of gathering and updating the knowledge base. It involves the extracting the knowledge from the human, experts or the through machine learning techniques. Continuous updating the ensuring the systems remain the relevant and accurate over time. Here we see the figure about the knowledge acquisitions. When we give the data, it will be you targeted the data, it called as an selections, and it will be pre-processed the data, it is in a processing, and it will transform the data, it is a transformation. When it gives the patterns, data mining, and it gives the knowledges about these interpredictions and the evaluations. The types of the expected system. There are the primarily 2 types of an expect systems. First one is about the rule based and second one is about the frame based system. Let's see about the rule based system. The first one is about the rule based systems use the conditional statement to represent the knowledge, and second one is about the frame based system. The frame based systems are organizes the knowledge into the data structures called the frames, facilitating complex relationships. Here is the applications of an expect systems. Expect systems are utilized in the various fields such as medical diagnosis, financial forecasting, and troubleshooting. They assist professionals by providing the recommendations and automatic routing tasks. Their ability to handle the large volume of data, making them valuable in the decision making progress. Here are many applications like you can see some shipping, repairing, progress control systems, monitoring systems, and medical domains, design domains, and all these are the applications of an expert systems. Challenges in expect systems. Expect systems or face challenges such as knowledge representations and system maintenance, ensuring the system can adapt to new information or change in the domain in the crucial. User acceptance and the trust remain significant for factors in the successful implementation of an expect systems. Here are the advantages of an expect system architecture. First one is about the consistency. Expect systems provide the uniform and consistency decision making, eliminating the human error due to patterns or emotional bias. Second one is about the availability. So they are available by 24/7, offering to expect levels, solution at any time without needing the human interventions. Third one is about the efficiency. Expect systems are progress large amount of information quickly, providing the solution faster than the human experts. And fourth one is about the knowledge retention. Capture expect knowledge and make it available even when the human experts are unavailable or retrieved. And last one about the cost effective. Reduces the need to for hiring the multiple expert savings and of the long terms. Here is about the disadvantages of an expert system architecture. Limited to the knowledge base, the system can only solve the problems based on the programmed language. It cannot handle the unfamiliar situations beyond the database. Lack of common sense. Unlike human expert systems cannot use intuitions or the understand the unions that are not accessibility programmed. Third one is about the difficult in the knowledge acquisitions. Gathering the accurate and the comprehensive knowledge from the expert cannot be time consuming and the difficult. Fourth one is about the no learning ability. This is also about disadvantages in the expert system architecture. That is the most expert system don't learn from the new experiences or improve over time useless manual updated. And here is last about the high development costs. The initial development and the programming of a system require the significant time and the financial resources. Here are some applications about the architecture. First one is about the medical diagnosis. They help the doctor figure out with the illness a patient might have by looking at symptoms and suggestions treatments. Second one is about the banking. We know that what we'll do in the banks. So it is also one applications in the architecture. The banking in the banking expert systems are used to decide whether some should get a loan or not, spot the possible fraud. So third one is about the customer supports. They are provide quick answer to customer questions like a troubleshooting, computer problems or product recommendations. Last one about the manufacturing. Expect systems can help in the deadlining how to fix the machines or optimizing the production progresses in the factorial. These systems use stored knowledge and rules to provide the solutions or recommendation just like a human expect would be like. So conclusion for this. In the conclusion, expert systems are the powerful AI tools designed to really let humans expert decision making by the combining the key components such as the knowledge base, interference engines and the user interface. We have discussed about these all the knowledge base, interference engines and the user interface in the above. They offer valuable solution across the various fields like in medicine, business and the engineering. These are the we have seen that the applications for these architecture like in medicines, business, banking and engineering, all these all are the applications for the architecture of an expect systems. Despite their advantages in providing the consistent expect level problem solvings, they are limited by their reliance on the predefined knowledge and lack adaptability to the new situations. There are the advantages for the architecture. As the technology advanced, expect systems are expected to become more flexible and intelligent, continuing to play a crucial role in the AI applications. So these are the conclusion for an architecture of an expert systems. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.